Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today is day 2 of Nature Week, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a bird feeder out of an orange. All you're going to need is some string, some sticks, but I'm using straws, and some bird feed. So what you're going to want to start off with doing is grabbing a knife, being really careful, and just chop the orange in half. Simple as, and scoop out the insides. I've got a bowl here, so I'm just going to scoop those out and eat those afterwards. And just like that, scooped out. Now next what you're going to want to do is poke 2 holes either side of it. So very carefully grab your knife and just pierce a little hole in either side. So nice and simple, in a little cross like that. And then next thing you're going to do is get your string and tie it up. So lastly, when you have all 4 pieces of string tied together, it will look like this. And then the only next step to do is put your birdseed in. And just like that, got your own DIY bird feeder. Now you can just hang that up in the garden and it'll be great. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. Make sure you send us videos, do it with us on TikTok, send us on Instagram, and show us what you think. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.